Transforming the look of your 2015 to 2017 Chevrolet Colorado with AnzoUSA LED taillights is an easy do-it-yourself project that only takes a few minutes with simple hand tools. Here's what you'll need. Start by opening the hood and disconnecting the negative battery cable. Inside the rear fender well, use a Torx bit to loosen the expanding fasteners that secure the factory taillight. These fasteners will remain inside the fender well for now. Slide the taillight electrical connector loose from the fastener that holds it to the frame rail. Using a small screwdriver, release the electrical connector latch. Lower the tailgate to access the screws retaining the taillights, then remove the screws. Carefully remove the factory taillight and wiring harness. Remove the expanding fasteners that were previously loosened. Feed the new wiring harness back through the factory hole in the rear fender, then guide the expanding fasteners into place as you install the new taillight. Replace the previously removed screws on the side of the taillight. Inside the fender well, tighten the expanding fasteners to finish securing the taillight assembly. Connect the new wiring harness to the factory connector, making sure the fittings click together and lock. Slide the connector back onto the fitting to secure it to the frame of the vehicle. Inside the fender well, find a location on the frame to mount the resistor pack. Clean the mounting location to ensure good adhesion, then mount the resistor pack using the supplied double-sided tape. Repeat the process for the other taillight. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and check for proper taillight and signal operation. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see our complete line of performance lighting products for your vehicle.